Hello, welcome to our NMMA and CASA workshop series. Today we will show you the steps on how to put together your very own Days of Dead ofrenda at home. An altar is set up in many Mexican households to ensure that it is ready by November 1st and 2nd to celebrate and remember family members and friends who have passed. The traditional ofrenda usually consists of a table adorned by cloth and decorated with the four elements, which are earth, air, fire, and water. First, begin with the table and use boxes, bins, or books to make your levels. Today we will make our altar using 3 levels. Next, add a tablecloth, rebozo, or scarf to decorate the base. Now you can begin adding items that represent the 4 natural elements. We will begin with the air element, which is represented using papel picado. Next, we will use the water element, where you can add a cup of water and your loved one's favorite drink. For the third element, fire, add candles, copal, or incense. For the final element, earth, you can add flowers, such as the traditional flower used for Days of Dead, the marigold flower. Also add food, fruit, and pan de muerto. Lastly, add your loved one's photographs, sugar skulls, and any items that represent them. And now you should have your beautiful Dia de Muertos altar completed. Thanks for tuning in.